Okay, step up to it. Good swing. Attaboy. That's it. Take your time. Get yourself set up real good, okay? Get your feet nice and steady before you swing. Little knee flex, bend at the hips. Alright, so now what are we doing? We're going to try and get the distance right? Okay, so go ahead and try and get your distance. Oh, good job. Look at that. Good distance. And then tap them in. See if you can tap them all in. All right, everybody made it too. Good job, girls.